Hello everybody, I'm KK. I'm super duper serious now because we're gonna make a creamy pesto pasta today. First, we're gonna need some ingredients. They're fresh basil, salt, black pepper, garlic, parmesan cheese, and olive oil. And then you put all the ingredients in a blender. To save some time, I like to add milk or heavy cream to blend with those ingredients. But if you like to add it later when you cook, that's totally fine too. Now I'm frying some onions and garlic that I just chopped. Also some veggie meat for proteins. I know they might not look pleasant, but I promise it tastes better than it looks. Voila! Homemade creamy pesto pasta is done. If you like me or my video, please give me a like. KK will be thrilled. See you next time.